In this today's video, I will be showing you how to apply different color to text in Elementor without other things you are doing. But in Elementor, it's not actually possible sometimes unless you are going to make use of this new method in which I will be showing you now to add different color to your text. Maybe your headings, your any other thing. So if this is actually what you want, then keep watching. Yeah, welcome back, guys. My name is Adi Richard, and welcome to my channel. And if it's your first time visiting my channel, don't forget to kindly click on the subscribe button below and on the notification by tapping the notification bell, so you will be notified anytime I drop my next video. So, like I said, I will be showing you how to apply different color to your text in Elementor without using plugin. So let's get started. Okay, so to make this video simple and short, like I said, I'm going to show you how to add different color to your text, something like this, to your sales page or to your website. If you are creating a website, maybe e-commerce website and others. So I know if you already know how to make use of Elementor, because if you don't know how to make use of Elementor page builder, you might be a little confused. So let me just try to make the same thing here. You just need to add a new session, create a new session here. So the next thing is to add our text. It works for headings, maybe for other things you are trying to add. So add your text. Let's say this is your text now. Actually you can just click on the style button to change your color to any maybe black, any other color that you want. So what I'm trying to show you here now is how to add different color to your text. So you see inside this box. So to achieve this now, I'm going to be sharing a CSS code, a short code. Yeah, the code that is displaying on the screen now. So what's the code? I want it to be in black color. Try this is in another color, then out now in another color. So let's start with the try this. You need to come to this box now. Try this. Don't forget you are trying to add color for different color for try this and add now. So this is the CSS code. It's very simple. And style equal to color, then you put a column, then we add our color code. To get your color code, just we put our color code at the front here. Let's paste. Use our color code. We have pasted the code, then close the thing. Greater than. You can see I want to try this out now. Everything has changed. Try this out now. Everything has changed to red. So you can now imagine, assuming you want to insert another color here. You don't want everything to be red. So maybe you want to end the color here. After try this, we need to make sure to close the span bracket. I've closed it. So I want to black. Try this, another color, out now. Okay, let's make use of another color for the out now. Okay, we have red, lime, blue. Okay, let's make use of blue. This is the color code for blue. Then copy. See, very simple. Okay, the same thing you write here, you can just copy, so you won't be out now. Copy everything. Then copy the color code for blue. I want to try this out now, different color. Might not need to close the bracket, the span bracket, because you don't actually have anything left after the app now. But assuming it is a long word, like you are trying to add it. Maybe you want to, it is very long, then you want to add different color to different text. Then you keep using the same thing, the same method. Span, this is the CSS code, open brackets, span style equal to color, then your color code, then close the bracket. So assuming you want to end it at anywhere, then you close the span bracket also. Very simple. So I think by now you can actually add different color to your Elementor text, that is without using any plugins. So okay, thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to like the video. If you have any question, you can drop it under the comment section below, and don't forget to share so the video can reach more people. And don't forget what I said earlier, if you are just visiting my channel for the first time, kindly click on the subscribe button and don't forget to on the notification bell. See you next time and have a nice day.